Welcome to Video Service Information. Looking at a 2017 GMC Sierra with around 67,000 miles on it. It's got the 5.3 engine in it. Customer's complaint was check engine light and an engine tick noise. Scanned it for diagnostic codes and we found a P0300 a random misfire and a P0304 cylinder 4 misfire. Basically checked the oil, just make sure it was full and it was good and clean. Tick noise was coming from the right bank, so we pulled the valve cover off. The valve cover had no sludge in it, it was nice and clean. Found the rocker arm on cylinder 4 was raised. So we figured we had a collapsed lifter or maybe a bent push rod. So I took my borescope and stuck it down into the push rod hole, and sure enough we had a bent push rod on that cylinder 4. Here you can see in the borescope image how it's bent here. GM does have various bulletins on tick noise and random misfire P0300 for the possible causes of the active fuel management as a mechanical collapsed lifter that has been collapsed or stuck in the lifter bore, and like this one, the engine may have a possible push rod that's bent. So we're going to go ahead and recommend the right bank lifters on this one and the push rods. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys want to see any particular mechanical failures, just let me know down in the comments. Thank you.